Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be focusing more on for the people, especially they're trying to find a job and they're not succeeding in finding a job, and they're trying to find a job as a fresher. Still, those guys are not getting a job. There are many people, they're struggling to get a job. There are many people nowadays because of this COVID situation. There are many people who are finding very difficult in getting a job. So in this video, I am focusing on providing 11 important freelance website. You guys can try this website to find certain freelancing work. You can get some freelancing work. So one is you will get certain money getting paid from it, and you'll also get the exposure. You'll also get the experience in handling various live project that would add value to your profile. Because let's say you lost your job or you're trying to finding a job, as months or years passes away, there will be a huge gap will happen in your career. So you can fill those gaps by working in various freelancing jobs. You can quote all this work in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, that you have worked on various freelancing work. That would really add value because you are not just sitting idle, and you have done a lot of work. You work with the various clients, you have worked on various challenging work. So that would add value rather than just sitting idle and searching for a job. Keep doing that freelancing job, parallelly you search as well. That would add, or that would make a lot of differences in your career. In order to help the people, I am making this video where I am going to discuss about 11 important freelance website. So let us move on, and I will show you in my desktop which are those 11 freelancing sites. The first one, if you can see here, right, the first one I could see here is Truelancer. This is a freelancing website where they have a separate section. There is a separate section for software testers at all. If you can see, right, they made a beautiful section for software testers, where if you can see, right, there are a lot of testers already enrolled here. So they are already, if you can see, right, everyone they enrolled here, and they also they are talking about their expertise in certain fields, and this much they are charging it. So you can also register in these sites, and you can also register with your skills, your exposure, what are the things you know, everything you can register in this, and definitely you can get a freelancing job. I'm not just saying you just register here. Whatever the website which I'm going to talk about now, 11 freelancing sites, try to apply in all those 11 sites, definitely one or the other. The second one is UTest. The UTest, if you can see, right, this is the largest community of testers in this world, where you can earn money as well. You can do a lot of work online using this platform, and lot of jobs also, and lot of projects also they are listed. You can find these projects here. If you can say, right, lot of projects also available, and you can go and apply here, and you can start working on it. This is also the second important freelancing website to have. Then the third is TopTal. The TopTal is also another portal. If you can see, right, this is another portal, TopTal. They are hiring a developer. You can apply for a developer job as well. Similarly, there is a opportunity for QA testers as well. You can just search for testing. See, if you can search for testing, you can find a lot of jobs here. See, usable testing, unit testing. See, they provide a lot of opportunity for the testers. So you can also find here, you can register, apply for a developer role or tester role. Definitely you can find some opportunities here. The fourth one is people per hour. This is another place where here also you can register yourself as a tester. And so lot of popular testing categories, if you can say, right, these are the various categories they are offering for you. And you can also register. There are many people, they already register in their names what their expertise are, what they have certification, everything they listed here. And also they are mentioning what is the hours they are charging for the client. So in that way you can also register here in the people per hour, and definitely the companies will reach out to you to based on companies will reach out to you based on your profile. The next thing is work and hire. The next thing is if you can see, right, the next thing is work and hire. Here also you can find a lot of opportunities. If you can see, lot of opportunities are there for a software testers as well. If you can see, right, there are a lot of opportunities are there. You can also search here, you can find the suitable one which is very much interesting for you, very suitable for you. Only apply for those opportunities. Definitely you will get an opportunity from one of these 11 freelancing website. So next one is the VR tester. If you can see, right, so VR tester is a paid working for QA mission. People can work from home as well here. So what you should do here is you should register here and you follow all the guidelines. Definitely you will get a opportunity here as well. They have given complete processes and what is the requirement process, everything you follow, apply here. Definitely it is going to help you. The next freelancing website is Twago. If you can see, right, here also freelancers they are hiring. What you have to do is you have to find the right project here. Just search for software testing, right? So search for software testing. So you can find so many people they are hiring. Then you should also quote your offer to these companies. So there are various companies that are offering in the Twago. You can find the projects, or you can click here. You can find the projects here. If you can see, right, you can find the projects. There are so many projects are there. You can also go and bid for this project, and you can get it, and you can work on it. The next important freelancing website is TesterWorks. Here there are so many projects are there. If you can see, right, Tester across USA, French speaking tester wanted in Canada. In the similar way, there are so many projects are available, so many live projects are available. You can also apply, you can register, and you can also work on certain freelancing works in the tester work. Then they are very important. I think I can name, this is very important, Upwork. This is totally meant for IT profession and other top-notch activities in the Upwork, and this is very top-notch freelancing portal. You can also find the lot of work here. See, hire the best software testers. What you should do here, you sign up, and you can also register here. See, there are so many people, they already register. You can also register something like this, and definitely based on your qualification, based on your requirement, someone will reach out to you and they will provide a freelancing work. And another one is, if you just came out of the college, there is a Internshala also is there, where they will post a lot of software testing job. If you can see, right, you can also find software testing jobs here. If you just search for top software testing job, you can see there are 54 software testing opportunities are there here. So there are various opportunities are there. You can also apply for these roles, and definitely you can work here, and they will also pay per every month. If you can see, right, they will pay certain stipend also for the people who are applying here. You can also apply, and definitely you will also get a opportunity in the Internshala. Then the last but not least is Freelancer website. Freelancer website is also very authentic and trustworthy platform. Here also you can find a lot of freelancing jobs here. You can apply there and you can earn money by freelancing, and also you will get a lot of exposure, a lot of experience when you are working on freelancing work. I am hoping you are able to get a complete view what are those 11 important freelancing websites available where you can try it and you can apply for the opportunities. Definitely out of these 11, one or two at least will come handy. That would really help you to get a freelance opportunity for you. I am hoping whatever the things which I discussed in this video was very useful for you guys. If you really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.